Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we are giving away 3 of these Milwaukee M12 Compact Inflator kits, model number 2475-21XC. They will come with the inflator and a 4.0 amp hour battery. Since our review, I've continued to use this just to get all the tires up to their desired summer PSI rating. It's been awesome to move it around, set the target PSI, and let the unit do it itself. I'll tell you, in the 30 to 45 range, this thing is almost dead on. We've really been enjoying it, letting the kids pump up their bike tires, gives them a sense of, hey, what they're doing and knowing that they're doing it right. I can't say enough good about this small inflator. So, chances to get in on winning 3 of these. Very simple. All you have to do is comment below and tell me what the coolest vehicle that you own is. That's all I want to know. Hashtag Workshop Addict. Don't tell me how you're going to use it. I've already figured that one out. So, simple. We're going to do the drawing Sunday evening, April 29th in the evening. I'll post it. Again, give you guys 48-ish hours to get back with me. We'll make comments on your comments. Have fun with this. We appreciate all your support watching the videos. Make sure you subscribe and like. We have a ton more giveaways coming up. Always, man, have a good day. See you next time.